Hello and welcome back to HardReset.info. In this video, I will show you how to perform a hard reset via settings on TCL 605. Let's begin. First, you want to go into the settings. Then scroll all the way down, head into System. Now, you want to scroll a little bit down and simply go to Reset Options. Do note that you can always go back here to enable your backup, but this will require you to log in into your Google account. So, let's go here, and all you want to do is simply press Erase All Data Factory Reset. We'll have a little warning about what this really means, and it means that everything from our internal storage will be deleted forever. So, we hit Erase All Data. We have to input our current password to our phone. We have one last question before we click Erase All Data and before the magic happens. Now this process will take a few moments, but after we are done, you should see a welcome screen that allows you to then set up your newly resetted phone. And if you want to guide through that process of setting up your phone, you can always watch my next video on that topic. So, yeah. And as you can see, we are now inside our setting up page. So, hard reset.
Enable voice broadcast. Press and hold the volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds to turn on TalkBack.
And this is how you turn on TalkBack. Cool. But as you can see, our hard reset was successful. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.